In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube intro. So I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can get a YouTube video intro done, either if you do it yourself for free or get it done by somebody else. And that's the first method I'm going to show you right now. It's the way I do it, and this is through Fiverr. So I just pay somebody $5 to create a video intro. But Fiverr is where you can pay people $5 to do things for you, and they have intro services, video intro services. So if you go to fiverr.com, under video and animation, you have an intros section here. And if you click on that, you can just go through here and look at all the different gigs that people are offering for video intros. And all you gotta do is present them with the logo, if you have a logo or text of your channel name, and they will make a video intro for you for $5. Okay, that's how I do it. That's the easiest way to do it, in my opinion. Now, if you don't want to pay $5, there are a couple of different ways to do it for free. So there's this website called flixpress.com, and you can register for free. And once you have a free account and you're logged in, over here on the left-hand side, you'll see free templates. So if you click on that, and it has about 9 free templates right now that you can create your own video intro with. So if you hover over these, it gives you a little preview of what you can do with it. And all you gotta do is enter your text, so your channel name, and you can download one of these video intros for free using FlixPress. That's one way to do it. Another way is to use the Panzoid Clip Maker. This is a free tool as well. I'm a big fan of Panzoid. They have a couple free tools for us YouTubers, but it's kind of complicated if you're going to do the clip maker for the video intro, but it is possible to do with Panzoid. So I'll leave a link to this on the blog post as well. And all you gotta do is just type in your text and mess around with these sections over here: basic, scene, objects. You choose your objects, your text, how you want the objects to move around, your background color, and you can customize all of this, and then you can download your video when you're done, and you have your video intro right there. And the final free way to do it is to basically just use your video editing program that you use to edit your videos. Just throw on some text and put a transition on the text, and then add some royalty-free music and maybe some sound effects in there. And if you go to my resources page on channelempire.com/resources, I'll leave a link up here. You can go in here, and I got a video goodies section. And here I list some of my favorite royalty-free music websites where you can get royalty-free music for that video intro if you want to do it yourself within your video editing program. But like I said, I always just go to Fiverr and just pay the $5 and have somebody else do it. As long as you got your logo or your channel name, just send it to them, pay $5, wait a couple days, and now you have your video intro made. But my biggest tip for you is, however you do it, make sure your video intro does not last longer than like 5 seconds. 5 seconds max is what I do, because you don't want a very long video intro. You want something short and sweet, something to promote brand consistency across all your videos, but you don't want something to last very long so the viewers just click away from your videos because your video intro is too long. So that's my biggest tip. Just make sure it's 5 seconds or less.